pretty bussin'. I take photos pretty much every day, but I've never actually even tried a film camera. But recently I found that my mom actually has this old camera called the Canon Rebel G. It's old, it's dusty, it's an old clunker, but I figured I'd take it out and we'd shoot some photos. And this is my first time doing film photography. As the adolescent film photographer I am, I quickly realized that this camera doesn't take AA's, so I did like what any other human would do and search it up on Google and quickly found out that it is some janky battery I've never seen before, so I ordered a few on Amazon. Seeming as if I was already off to a bad start, I kinda was like, I don't know about this. But then my dad just pulls out this random roll of film that he happens to find, and he was like, yeah, you should use this. So we have film, but the camera still can't even turn on, so I don't know. So I have a camera, I have a lens, I have a roll of film, and I have batteries coming tomorrow. I think I'm about ready to start film photography. Genuinely. But before I actually take any photos and attempt this, let me just okay. So pretty much, right? nothing happened. My dad found this roll of film. Yeah, so I don't even know if
Probably really expired, but
yeah, that's the only thing.
oh, it's the same one I have.
Yeah. So, I was like, I mean, I could try it. I don't really know how to tell if it's, like, expired or whatever, but
How long have you guys had it?
a long time.
You're supposed to keep film in the fridge.
I don't know. But yeah, so basically, right now, I have a film camera and a lens and film, but no batteries. Yeah, so they're coming tomorrow, so technically it should be Gucci. So, I think we're ready to take some, film photography, boys. So you got a film camera?
Bro, it's so good for only like $40.
Let's see this. Ooh, genuinely. I'm a little sketch. The batteries, I think, look too big. I'm actually genuinely scared right now. Please, please. It's on. Okay. So, we have the camera, we have lens, we have batteries, we have film. I guess let's go take some photos. We have film, boys. Let's go. Okay, I gotta. Well, let's make it aesthetic because we only have 24 shots. So